Hey y'all, it's your girl Nicole, and I'm back with another video here on my channel, y'all. This is my first ever hair video, hair tutorial, whatever you want to call it, here on my channel. And pretty much, y'all finna just watch me install this wig on my client. This beautiful blue, teal, turquoise, whatever mint color wig, and it came out super fast, so keep watching. So I got a ball cap on my client, and right now I'm getting ready to outline her hairline using lace glue. I'm gonna put the lace glue that I use on the screen to outline her hairline, but that's pretty much what I'm doing here. And I cut little ear tabs, so I just cut a hole in the cap by her ear and just put her ear through the little hole so the cap could fit. So I had her sit underneath the dryer to let the glue dry for about 10 minutes, and now I'm just cutting off all the excess cap. And the reason I like using lace glue to outline my cap is because I just feel like I could get super close to the hairline and the cap will stay down. So now I'm just using makeup closest to her skin complexion, and I'm just putting that all over the cap. And I got this makeup from the beauty supply store. Just some Ruby Kisses foundation. Okay, now the wig is on her head, and now we're going in with that same lace glue that I used to outline on the cap, and we going in and just applying it and spreading that out evenly and thin, and then we gonna let that turn clear, y'all. One thing I could say about this glue in this video, this is my first time using this glue. Y'all see the stylist in the back, her name is Shay. I work with her in the shop. This is her lace glue, so make sure y'all go and shop her lace glue. I really like her lace glue. Like, as y'all can see, the lace glue is drying very, very quick. Like, clear very quick. It's super thin too. Like, it's not thick. I really like this glue. It's a really good glue, so make sure y'all go shop her glue. Now y'all, I went in with about 3 to 4 layers of glue just to make sure that her wig was gonna stay on for a good, make sure it stay on there. As you can see, I'm using very thin layers and spreading it out and letting each layer dry clear before adding another layer of glue. So now I'm getting ready to lay the lace on the glue. Sorry y'all, I was in the way of the camera a little bit, but now I'm just laying the lace where I placed the glue at and having my client hold her sides while I just comb the lace into the glue. Now I'm just spraying the lace with got to be glue and then hot combing that. Then we'll go ahead and put that lace band on and put her under the dryer. So now we back from underneath the dryer, removing the lace band, and now I'm just cutting little slits in the lace. And now I'm using an eyebrow razor to just cut off that extra lace. Now, if it's any little hairs that's in the way while you're trying to cut that lace off, go ahead, just pull them out and just cut them off with the little razor or some scissors or something, as y'all seen me doing. But I'm just taking my time when I'm cutting this lace. Take your time when cutting the lace off. Now I'm gluing down any little pieces of lace that didn't get glued down the first time, and I'm just going in with a little bit of glue on the end of my comb and just pressing the lace down into the glue. And now I'm going in with a little makeup on that lace. Y'all, I don't know why I didn't cut off all the lace then come back and do this, but I guess I'm just showing y'all one side at a time. And now I'm going in with some lace spray and just pressing that into the lace to just help melt the lace. And now you see I'm finna do the exact same thing that I did to that side, to the other side. Now we going back in with another lace band, and we gonna go back underneath the dryer. So she back from underneath the dryer again. I'm taking the lace off. Oh shit, not the lace. The lace band off. My bad, y'all. And now go ahead and make her middle part. Going in with some heat protectant, wax stick, and then we're gonna use that hot comb just to get it nice and flat. Now I'm separating the frontal from the bundles on the wig. And I'm just hot combing that flat. It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the now I'm separating out her edges so I could get that out the way now. Sorry y'all that I'm all in the way of the camera. Y'all can't even see what I'm doing. But I'm just hot combing the edges, and then I'm gonna push back that hair with Got To Be Glue spray and my hot comb. But y'all gonna be able to see me do the other side to see what I'm doing a little bit better. Okay, y'all, so my client wanted a style in her wig, and I'm going to insert the picture that she sent me and told me that she wanted. But I decided to do it one side off camera. So pretty much here, I just had select her hair into a ponytail. And right now, I just wrapped some hair around the rubber band so you couldn't see it. And then I'm finna get ready to braid this, and I just braided it in a regular braid, and then we just gonna pull it apart to give it that messy, fluffy, butterfly braid look. So now I'm getting ready to start curling her hair. So I just used the wand curl to curl her hair, and I sectioned out her hair section by section. I'm just going through with the wand curl, and in between I'm going to be spraying just some little holding spray to just let the wand curls last.
You're treating me so bad. You said you love me, don't wanna bump me, and I was all you had. And all my heart is beating for you, and I can't stop crying. I don't know how I allow you to treat me this way, and still I stay. See, my days are cold without you. Without you. My heart can't take no more. I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you. Without you.
So I'm done curling, and now we're getting back to them edges. So right now I'm starting with the sideburns, and I just cut them using the little eyebrow razor, and then I use my mini flat iron just to curl it. And now I'm going back in with that little lace spray and my edge brush, and I'm just doing her baby hair. And I'm also using some foaming mousse to help me as well. Y'all, my tip for when doing baby hair, just take your time. Just really take your time. Like, just take your time. I don't feel like I have my edges down packed enough to teach y'all how to be doing some edges. Like, I know how to do them, but I'm always perfecting my craft, and I definitely do feel like my edges is something I could keep on perfecting, because I really feel like the edges make the look. Like, it can make or break your wig. So I just feel like take your time and make sure you using that blow dryer too. As you can see, I finished, and now, well, I ain't finished, but I finished the sideburns. But now I'm about to do the other little baby hoe. And y'all see I'm in the way again. My bad, y'all. My bad. Now I'm getting ready to do the same thing to the other side, and as y'all can see what I'm doing a little bit better. Okay, y'all, so I'm all done with the edges. Now I'm getting ready to wand curl her bangs. I just used the hot comb to make sure it's flat. And now I'm going in my wand curl just to curl it up. So yeah, I am all done now. Now I'm just going in with a soft holding spray just to spray everything, spray out her curls just to make sure that those curls are going to last. And now I'm just gonna go in with a little comb just to comb them out just a little bit. But y'all, this style came out so cute. She had got this done for her birthday. My client dyed her wig herself, but this just came out super cute. Like, I love this so much. So thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you guys stay tuned for my next video. Stay tuned for more hair tutorials coming soon. Make sure you follow me on my hair page, on my main Instagram, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.